I just had to get a picture of this beautiful cloud over here. Beautiful clouds. Oh, it's a beautiful cloud. Yeah.